Hello, Reese. Hello. Good morning. You awake? You awake now? Oh, say hello. Say hello. Hello. Oh. Oh. What's this? It's a camera. Yeah. Oh. What's the matter? You don't want to be filmed. Charlie. Say hello.
Hello.
What have you got?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. A cookie. Like a big biscuit. Let's see. Show me.
Chocolate.
Oh, nice.
Chocolate.
Is it tasty?
Tasty.
Tasty. Do you like it?
Lucky.
Who's this?
Baby.
Baby. What's he doing? What's he doing? That's right. He's making a noise like that, isn't he? What's the matter, Reese? Reese? I think it's because he's awake and he's not eating. He likes to eat as long as he's awake. Oh, look. Okay, better do something about this. What should we do? Huh? What should we do for Reese? Okay. Should we give him some... Oh, should we give him some milk? Should we give him some teas? Should we give him some milk? No. Do you want some milk? Okay. Cut.